It's time to blow me. Today I'm going to be reviewing Zarimi's 33,000 RPM electric compressed air duster. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Let's take a look at what we get, because what you are going to get is you're going to get this blower right here, 33,000 RPMs. It's all going to come in this box. You get 2 batteries, 21 volts. You get your charger, and you get this really nice unit. Very easy to replace the batteries on this. Just push the button here, pull off. This is very light, so I want to make sure you understand what this is made out of. Just plastic. So the battery weighs more than the unit. So in case you're worried, it's not metal or anything, but it works really nice. So what can you use this for? I'm going to put up a picture of something that I used it for. The dryer filter to blow out the holes in the back that just are hard to get to. But I also was playing around in the house, just going up to the vents. Anywhere you might have dust, this works. Now I did take it outside to do leaves and it does work, but I've seen more powerful ones. So I want you to understand you can definitely use this to blow leaves, especially in a smaller area. It's going to blow them out no matter where you are. It just may not be as powerful as you were thinking. It is definitely powerful, and to have this for tons of stuff around your house that might have dust. I think the best part about this is you no longer have to go out there and buy compressed air. This is a great way to save money. This is definitely nice. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.